Project management tools are many, and choosing the right one to suit your needs is difficult, to say the least. Today we're going to put two head to head and figure out what they have to offer. We'll be having a look at Backstage. We'll also be having a look at Confluence and figuring out how they can benefit you. So let's check them out. Okay, so we're looking at Backstage now, and Backstage is open source. It's a developer portal that's revolutionizing project management in a whole, right? So it was originally created by Spotify to manage their very complex software ecosystem. It has evolved now into a powerful open source developer portal that centralizes all software components from microservices and libraries to data pipelines and documentation. Here's the thing: the innovative platform empowers autonomous teams while providing the structure that's needed for large-scale collaborations, which does explain why it's been adopted by over 3,000 companies worldwide as a scalable and customizable project management framework to use. You can also see some of their core features include their software catalog. So it has a unified inventory system that maintains a comprehensive registry of all projects, your services, and components with clear ownership information, as well as relevant metadata. It also has software templates, so you can actually accelerate project creation with standardized templates that enforce organizational best practices. It also allows teams to spin up on new projects in seconds rather than days. You don't have to worry about creating a template or making something from a blank canvas. It also implements a docs-like code philosophy where your documentation lives alongside your code, making your creation processes, maintenance, and even discovery completely seamless for your development teams. It also has a very rich plugin ecosystem. You can extend your functionality through this ecosystem of plugins that integrate with CI/CD pipelines. It provides cloud cost insights, automates workflows, and even connects with other tools. The last thing over here that you can see is how they have real world impact. So first of all, their internal Backstage implementation features more than 120 plugins built by 60 different teams. It's dramatically streamlining microservice creation as well as maintenance at scale. Some of their measurable benefits include that engineers find services and APIs instantly, eliminating time wasted hunting for owners of documentation. It also has cost insight plugins that integrate into your cloud spend management and into your daily workflows. And lastly, organizations can achieve scale and speed without even sacrificing quality or even developer autonomy. We're jumping into Confluence now, and Confluence centralizes all of your team's knowledge and project information. It removes info silos and it keeps everyone updated with best practices and key resources. This streamlined access improves collaboration and enables smart decisions. Also, it has collaborative editing. This is real-time teamwork. So multiple users can actually edit the same document simultaneously without any conflicts. It offers immediate feedback, enabling fast content creation and quick revisions, and you can easily revert to previous document versions. It also offers customizable templates, so your project plans, you can have pre-instructed layouts to organize your tasks efficiency. It offers consistent formats to capture discussions and decisions, and it offers templates that ensure clarity and uniformity across all of your content and your team. Having a look at some of the integrations that it offers, you can integrate the software with pretty much anything to do any other type of business workflow. So anything from Jira, Trello for project tracking. It also integrates with Slack, Google Workspace for streamlined communication, and it's a cross-functional workflow, which is fantastic. It minimizes switching between apps, and that can waste time, and you can end up losing data in between. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, a head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. Now, the takeaway here is to go and put these softwares to work, see how they actually benefit you and what they can really do. If this was enjoyable, you can drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.